That's all I know.
So we have a giveaway in this video. So 4 winners, and all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to my channel and leave 1 comment down below, and that is it to enter. So be sure and enter. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Eryn is back,
and I'm better
than ever. She started swim. How's that going?
It's going great.
You look fit and tan.
Thanks.
We're really proud of you.
That's your swimmer moment.
She's a swimmer.
I'm a swimmer.
I'll be like this. Let's go eat. Pick it up.
Then I cry once I get to the end.
No, you don't. Okay, so today's video is I got 2 mystery boxes. I got both of these off eBay, and we're gonna open them and we're gonna see who got the best mystery box. So it's like a mystery box competition.
Yes.
I've opened mystery boxes before. I'll link some of those videos down below if you want to see more. And have you ever opened a mystery box?
I have never.
Okay. Well,
so this should
sometimes
be exciting.
I've had hits, I've had misses, and I've had in-betweens.
Each mystery box was $100, so I really hope it has good stuff inside, or else that's kind of a flop. But we're hoping for the best.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and sing the subscribe song, and then we're going to jump right in, jump right in. I'm ready. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Boy!
That was slick, wasn't it?
No, they seen it.
They seen it.
They seen everything.
He thinks he's the Flash.
The Flash.
Over here. Like,
boy, be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe.
yes.
That was the whole fam. All right, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut them open. We haven't opened them yet, obviously.
I'm scared. What if there's just a rat inside?
A rat, that could happen. We don't know. Okay, right off the bat, I see some Ardell lashes up in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, and then everything else is like in tissue paper.
All right. It's the moment of truth. Moment of truth.
Hold it up. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, you look like you got a bunch of good stuff.
Let's see.
I want to see some of yours. You look like you got some good stuff.
This caught my attention first. So I don't melt away makeup and
Debris.
And Debris. So I guess it's just like makeup remover. Like, you know, you just do this.
This stuff's expensive, so this is already like.
This is a good
really
mystery
good.
box so
yeah.
far. Okay. Here, you choose.
Should I go? Okay, I have 2 packs, 3, 4.
Oh my god.
Lots of Ardell lashes. I love these. I have a ton of them already, but like I can always use way more of the individual ones. Like we use these all the time.
Yes.
So I'm pretty
excited. This is actually really nice.
I know. I like them. So I'm into it. They give me 4 pair of lashes.
Girl, I think you got a good mystery box.
I think you got a good one.
I think you got a good one. This one's so cute. What is this?
I have no idea what that is.
2 color eyes. Should I open it?
Yeah, I literally have no idea what that is.
It looks like this. It's really cute. Like, this is so small and cute.
Oh my god, it's so tiny. I think it's like...
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, it's like eyeshadow, huh? She got like a mini eyeshadow. Oh my god, look at the brush.
No!
Eryn loves it.
It's so cute. Here, I'm gonna try it out.
Okay, here we go.
Maybe it's just the brush.
Wait, let's do... The brush is a little wonky. Come here.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the brush.
Yeah.
This is really cute.
The brush is still cute though, so I'm not gonna hate on her.
Okay.
This is a nice little thing though. I like it. From an Asian company. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. It's cute.
Next, I actually got some eyelash adhesive. It's called Dark Adhesive from Ardell. So so obviously they paired it with the lashes, so you would have like some lash glue to go with your lashes. And I will definitely use that.
That's actually nice.
I know.
I love how they're just like, you know what, we're going to give you lashes, and then we're going to hook you up as well.
And then we're going to give you the hookup. Okay.
Yes.
I'll open. Oh, look, I got 2 items. I don't know.
Beauty glazed.
I do not know what this is. It just says beauty glaze.
Full cover concealer corrector.
Oh, we got some corrector.
Some corrector.
What else you got, boo-boo?
So this is actually a really nice one, Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. Gosh, they really hooked me up. Some good stuff. Oh, that's so cute.
I know. Ooh, it's thick. Oh, this could be really... Oh, my God. Look at the coverage.
Is that your color?
Yeah, I mean, I think it might be a little... Actually, no, I think it might would work. It's called Sace Lady.
I've never heard of that.
I've never heard of this brand. I've never seen this before, but it's called Sace Lady, and it's like insanely pigmented concealer, so that's really cool. And she did ask me a couple questions about my shade, so I think that's why.
That's nice.
Okay, I'm dying. You have a brand new...
Okay, but can you feel this? Like the little... They're water! I never knew this.
That's awesome.
You guys can't see it. Should I try it out?
Yeah, definitely. I bet you'll like it. I've tried that before.
I love it. Look at my lashes. That's what it did.
I think it looks amazing.
Okay, but this is really nice that it came in a mystery box, so I enjoy that.
Yeah, I like your mystery box is like turning out to be really good. Like
So is
really
yours.
good. I mean, mine's good, but I don't think mine is worth as much as yours so far. I still have it looks like a lot to go.
I'm keeping this.
See, this is like a cheap little, what do you think?
Is that highlight?
Yeah. Like just a cheap.
Try it out. I need to see
I mean,
it.
it could be good. It's just like a no brand. I don't know. It's okay.
That's too white. That's too white. No.
I mean, it's just a little powdery. It's not the best.
It's cute. I like
It's
this,
cute.
but it's just too white.
Yeah. Okay.
This, I love this.
She got Murad. It looks like some skincare's in this box, but it did say on the eBay thing, skincare, makeup, and beauty. So it says ultimate moisture for eyes.
Are we about to be hydrated?
Hydration.
Hydration.
Girl, if you don't stop.
What is this? I love it though. Can I try it out?
Yes. A little stiff. Needs maybe some water.
It reminds me of a paintbrush or a lightsaber. I got 2 boxes of Yas Queen.
Lily lashes.
Oh, is this Lily?
Well, that's like the cheap brand of Lily lashes.
It's lit.
Wow, I want to see. Oh my god.
When I first
picked good.
When I first picked them up, they were really light, and I was just like, oh dear God, what is this? But it's not a palette. They're lashes.
They're really cute.
This is actually really
We got
nice.
good lashes in our boxes.
The It's Lit lashes look pretty fire.
Yeah.
See what I did there?
I got a good mascara as well as you. This is the Lash Domination from Bare Minerals. I think this is the mini version, but there's like there's like a lot in this. Like it's like a deluxe mini version.
What is it? Concealer?
No, it's mascara from Bare Minerals.
Oh, that's nice.
Isn't that
Oh,
nice?
look how juicy that looks.
Yes.
That's juicy.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I'm into it. And I also got these. I saw this at Christmas time. This is from Bare Minerals.
Is that Haley on the back?
It's Haley. The Power of Good. Like a Bare Mineral lip set. Oh, I
that's
think there's
cute.
2 lipsticks in here. Hydrating and smoothing.
Let's see.
Oh my god.
You guys.
Oh, they were lipsticks. I thought these were lipsticks. They're not. They're playing. I got playing cards.
I'm so...
What do you think, Erin?
That is, like, cool, I guess, but...
I mean, it is cool. I thought I got lipsticks. I'm shook right now.
They trick you.
They tricked me, but
It's still
I
cute.
can see
It's
why
cool.
someone would want to just put this in a mystery box.
They're just
and
like, alright.
Okay, what you got, Bobo?
So, I got these 2 packets of refreshing cleansing.
I've never heard of this
Wipes.
brand before.
Me either.
Hemp wipes. So she got 2 makeup wipes.
Should I smell one pack?
Oh, smell.
Smells nice.
It does smell nice. Okay.
So, like, is it makeup remover?
I think so. Just makeup remover wipes, which
Oh,
these
that's
are
actually
nice.
This is nice. I'll take this for swim.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boom, baby.
Okay.
Okay.
Girl hooked me up.
My next item is wrapped up. See, some of mine's like wrapped up in paper, so.
None of mine are.
Oh. Huh. Well. Girl, I got some crazy stuff. This is like a rip-off of the Kylie Jenner palette from Holiday. Like Holiday a few years ago.
Oh, I see it.
Oh my god, Erin, feel how light it is.
No,
why is there nothing in there?
There can't be anything.
Oh my.
Literally, this is... No, this is like a paper plate. Laura.
What is that? It's styrofoam, yeah? This is so strange. I've never seen a palette like this. Like, in a piece of styrofoam. This is definitely like... I mean, the colors are pretty. The palette I could just snap.
What in the world is styrofoam? I have never. How is this together?
I think you're supposed to put mascara on your lower lashes with this.
It's liner aid.
Liner aid. I don't know how to use this, but I'll have to look it up online.
I mean, the colors are okay in this palette.
Yeah, they're pretty. Oh, they're swatching pretty good on you, actually.
Yeah, colors aren't that bad. And next, so I got like this little thing. Undercover. Pretty
it's
vulgar.
like a sample.
Yeah, it's just a sample of like concealer. I'll take what I can get. And I also got this eyeshadow palette from Rimmel London. Oh my god, it even has one of the old-timey eyeshadow brushes in it.
The old-timey eyeshadow brushes?
This is
would you ever use that?
No.
No, I don't think you would.
It's too old for me.
Yeah.
But we're going to try it out today.
Oh my god, it's so pigmented. A lot came off. It's actually really pretty. Oh, eyelid. That's really pretty on your eyelid.
Actually, you know what? I was hating on this palette, but it's kind of good. Yeah.
It's really pretty.
Actually, this is not bad.
No.
All the colors in this palette though are shimmers.
You would have to tap into another palette.
Yes.
Dang, we're just like doing makeup up in here.
She did not come to play. You know what? This little brush came in handy too. It's cute.
It did.
You know what? This palette gets a 10 out of 10.
All right, 10 out of 10 would
10.
recommend.
My eBay person did me right. What is this? French lavender body wash infused buffer. What could this possibly?
I think I got another rip-off palette.
It's squishy.
Ooh, let me see. It's infused with all the body wash. It's so heavy. Oh my god.
So what do?
You just wet it and bathe. That's pretty cool, Erin.
It does smell really good.
Oh my god, this palette looks so pretty though.
That's Huda's.
It's Huda's. It's Huda Nude palette, but holy crap.
Okay, they knew what they were doing.
Oh wow, look at that. I mean,
Might be a ripoff, but it's a good ripoff.
this is a bomb ripoff palette. Look at the colors, guys. They are so insane.
Oh my god, where can you use my
And it has like a nice mirror in it. It's like really heavy.
This is nice.
That is nice. I've never heard of the brand, and like they found feces and like rip-off makeup before, so that does scare me a little bit.
Ew!
Yeah.
They have not.
Yes, they have, I swear. The palette, I don't even know this name. You Can Be. You Can Be is the name of the palette.
Fenty Beauty!
Fenty! Oh, it's...
Is this real Fenty?
I don't think that's real Fenty.
This isn't.
I don't think it's real Fenty.
No, I don't think
You also have another Fenty product. Can I open it?
Oh my god, I do.
I don't think it's real.
I don't think that...
Wait, this might be real. No.
No,
Is it?
no.
No, that's not real. It looks really real, though. Like, it's close.
You feel it, though, because I've used one before. It doesn't feel like that.
No, this is not real. This is not real.
Should I try it out?
Yeah, I mean, I'm like, yeah, sure. No, they don't even have this color at Fenty. Fenty Glow Glossy Bomb. I don't think this is the right color. No, this is not real makeup.
No.
Oh my god, you got fake Fenty. Girl, I got some fake Huda. Girl.
Oh my god.
It's a fake, okay, so it's like a theme with all the fake Huda makeup in my box. It's like her fake mini palette. Oh, it's really pigmented. They said, girl, I'm gonna hook you up, but like...
It's fake.
It's fake.
Bronze Goddess Cooling Body Spray. Oh, I'm not gonna try this.
Also, there was no lid on it, so...
Laura!
Oh my god, it smells so good.
I got chemicals in my lungs.
What is this?
Well, I don't know. I can't breathe.
Cooling body spray. Boy, I got something stupid. Another magnetic lashes.
No. What is that?
Like the lashes. Like they pinch onto your eyeball. Girl, a mess.
I don't.
A gimmick.
You're not gonna try them?
What else you got?
Milk and honey bath melt. Oh, is this a bath bomb?
It's a bath bomb.
What if I ate
Wait,
it?
don't eat it. But that could be really cute.
Milk and honey bath melt.
To go with my mini mascara, I got the mini Primetime from Bare Minerals. It's kind of like a little Bare Minerals kit in here. I got like Bare Minerals a lip gloss.
Oh, that's nice.
Like I got some like Bare Minerals products. Oh, that's really pretty.
Oh,
too.
that is pretty. It went on there so smoothly.
This one's called Boss. I got Bare Minerals powder. This is called Original Veil. I got a lot of Bare Minerals in my box. And a Bare Minerals brush with the powder.
God, they hook you up.
And it looks like real Bare Minerals. I won't know, but it's like in the plastic still.
I got this L'Oreal lipstick.
She got a L'Oreal lipstick. Ooh, fiery. It's really pretty too. It's like a pretty mauve berry.
I just colored my hand. Oh,
A mini.
Anastasia.
A mini.
A mini.
Oh my god, it's a
It's
baby eye primer. Oh my god, that's so cute. I think I've gotten one of those babies before.
Essence melted chrome.
I've tried one of those before. They're amazing.
Oh, wow,
Yeah,
that's
they're amazing.
So soft.
Wow. Ooh.
Guys, this went on beautifully and it feels amazing. This is the best thing ever.
This must have also been why she was asking me my shades, because I don't know what this is. It's like in an Asian language. It's a foundation.
Oh. That's not...
It's like really beige, but I don't think it's going to be my shade. But, I mean, it is a foundation, and the concealer did seem to look pretty good, so.
Bro, I got Becca.
Becca. Oh, this one didn't make it. It broke. I mean, I don't even know what it is.
Oh my god.
Guys, look.
Oh, it's a lip gloss.
Oh, that's really pretty. From Becca. Guys, look at this. It's shattered. She sent me... Oh! This was a sculpting powder.
That's so cute too.
It's like she tried to hook me up with like a full face of makeup, you know, I think. Like with foundation, concealer, sculpting powder, eyeshadows. That's really cool.
Oh yeah, but that was the Becca lip gloss. It's called Glow Gloss.
Dang, your box is fire, Erin. Besides that fake Fenty, that's weird.
Yeah, that is weird.
It makes me skeptical in the other products.
Me too.
That's already opened.
Yeah, look. It came open. Open.
So you gotta be careful. This didn't have a box in it, and it was just thrown in here, and it has like the powder all over it from the broken one.
Wow, that's great.
It's a mascara. Oh, that is a brow pencil, and it looks like it could be your color. That's all. These are empty boxes down in here. So that was mine.
Oh, I thought you were saying you got empty boxes. I was like,
Oh my god, no.
but yeah, this is just Rimmel. It's the brow bro.
All right, this is your last product. I don't know what it is. It says eyebrow, but it's like I've never heard of the brand before. Oh, this is not a spray. This is an actual facial primer, by the way, that I got from Bare Minerals. So.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's nice. I feel like the Bare Minerals is definitely real. I got some stuff from Holiday from Bare Minerals, so I feel like it's like just minis and like really cute Bare Minerals things. What?
I tried this out. It's too hard.
Oh my god.
And it does not come.
It's like a brick.
No.
Okay, so if we had to vote, I think you got the better box.
Yeah, I agree, because I got more real stuff than you.
Yeah. Exactly.
You got a bunch of fake stuff.
This is nice. This definitely looks real. Let's open it. Oh, I feel like I've heard of this before.
This is really cute.
It just melts your makeup away. So yeah, I think you got the better box. I got a lot of fake makeup, which I probably won't use because it's kind of dangerous to use.
Yeah.
But I did get a lot of Bare Minerals, so I appreciate my box. Let us know in the comments what you think down below.
This was very exciting.
Yeah, it was fun.
First
wasn't it?
unboxing video accomplished.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you all. Oh wait, did I say everything? We love you guys.